What's up, YouTube? You got the old Mongo man with you here Thursday evening, 9:15 in the afternoon, in the evening. We had football tonight, so a little late start out here in the garage. What we're going to do tonight is some FBAD. That's foam board aided design. So I'm going to try and get that second one done up, and then we'll see what we can do from there. All right, come along. I'll show you guys how I do this. Morning, Jack. Goodbye, Jack. Saturday morning. A little stuffed up. Here comes my brother. We're gonna go put a pool liner in this morning. Check it out. See what we can make happen. See if we can get some water in this pool today. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? You got me, the Mongo man, Too Tall, Kenny, and Jackie's in the truck. After spending the last hour and a half beating my head against the wall, I wanted to have a little public announcement here. Don't be an idiot. And if you are an idiot and you can't help it, don't work on trucks. That's all there is to it, okay? Too Tall has been manual swapped. So it was an automatic, and now it has a 6-speed in it, ZF6. And the guys that did the manual swap should have never touched tools in their entire life. Honest to God, should have never just, they should sit in the corner in the fetal position and cry themselves to sleep. And I hope that someday I meet that person, because I'll tell them that face to face. So there is a Prendle park reverse neutral drive low switch in there that has the neutral safety switch in it. They cut all the wires to it. There was nothing there, and then when they wired everything back together, they used an entire roll of electrical tape, and they simply just twisted the wires together. No butt connectors, no anything like that. Just they twisted one set, wrapped it up with black tape, twisted another set, wrapped it up, and then I'm telling you, it was that big by the time they were done. So I just got done undoing all that, which I'm 900% sure that that's all still wrong. I put, I think it was 12 pink butt connectors on it to fix that. And then down here on the ground, this is the wire that they were using for the to bypass the neutral safety switch, which all it took was one butt connector and 2 wires needed to be taken off. KJ has the other portion of it there. He's playing jump rope with it. But so yeah, I just figured I wanted to rant a little bit. A 2-minute rant, that's allowed, right? Woohoo! So take it from Mongo. If you're an idiot, and you will always be an idiot, don't work on trucks. Talk to you later. What's up, YouTube? Got the old Mongo man here, making my way to the garage on a beautiful Sunday morning. We are all done with church. KJ is going to go do some hay today, so I'm going to put some tie downs on his trailer for him. He was looking for a spot to throw some straps whenever the hay is on there, so we're gonna get that done. And I might work on the boat a little bit today. Haven't decided yet, but that's probably what I'm gonna do. Let's take a look, see what we got going on. Got the big welder out. KJ's got both ramps off. I got to do some cutting. So all we're gonna do is put some D-rings on the back ass of this trailer here to match the front. All right, stick around. You watch us get this done. Oh my goodness, is it hot out here. All right, so 3 rods, 70-18. Done with the old tombstone right there. Picked that up on Craigslist. You guys know the story. Give 2 1/4 for it, 3. I forget at this point what I paid for it, but this is what it's able to do. Cobbled these on here pretty nice. I don't think, like I was just telling KJ, those welds will hold anything that the straps will hold. That's for sure. So now he has a couple more places to tie down to, especially whenever he's hauling hay. All right. Let's see what else we get into today.